Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to do the temperature conversions from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa as well. And moreover, we are going to calculate both the estimates and the exact values as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on the conversion from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. And here's our formula. If we know the value of C, and then we can calculate degrees Fahrenheit as 9 divided by 5 times C plus 32. And now we are going to go from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And here's the formula for that one. If we know the value of Fahrenheit, then we can calculate the value of C. And that's going to be equal to 5 divided by 9 times F minus 32 inside the parentheses. And now we are going to talk about the estimates. And here's the nice trick to calculate the estimate. Let's focus on these alphabets A, B, C, D, E, and F, where C is our temperature Celsius and F is our temperature Fahrenheit. And if we go from left to right, our values tend to increase. And if we go the other way around, from right to left, the values tend to decrease. And bear in mind, the value of F is going to be larger than the value of C. So therefore, if we go from C to F, in other words, we are going to do the conversion from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then our very first step is going to be D stands for double. That means we are going to double the value of C. And the next step is E stands for extend by 30. So after doubling, we are going to add 30 as well to get temperature in Fahrenheit. So therefore, from going to Celsius to Fahrenheit, we are going to multiply by 2, and then we are going to add 30 to it. And likewise, if we go from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, in other words, we are going to convert from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Since we are going from right to left, so therefore the values tend to decrease. So therefore E comes first. E means we are going to eliminate the value of F by 30. And then whatever the result is, D stands for divided by 2. And then we are going to get our degree Celsius value. In other words, from going Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, we are going to subtract by 30, as you can see over here. And then we are going to divide this one by 2, as you can see over here. And likewise, if we are going to get the exact value from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, then this formula is going to give us these steps. We are going to multiply degree Celsius by 9, and then we are going to divide by 5. And finally, whatever value we get, we are going to add 32 to it. And if we are going from degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, then we are going to follow these steps. The very first step is we are going to decrease the value of Fahrenheit by 32. Then we are going to multiply by 5. And finally, whatever result we get, we are going to divide that number by 9. And here's our very first example. If we have a 10 degrees Celsius, we are going to find the value of degrees Fahrenheit. And now we are going to calculate the exact value first. And these are the steps we are going to follow. The very first step is this number, degree Celsius times 9 is going to give us 90. And then whatever this number 90 divided by 5 is going to give us 18. And finally, whatever this number 18 plus 32. And if we add these numbers, we are going to get 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So therefore, 10 degrees Celsius converts to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's our exact value. And now we are going to do the estimate. From going from Celsius to Fahrenheit, we are going to follow these two steps. First, we are going to multiply by 2. So therefore, I'm going to multiply 10 by 2. And that's going to give us 20. And whatever this number, I'm going to add 30 to it. So if we add these numbers, our estimate turns out to be 50 degrees Fahrenheit as well. And here's our next example. We are going to calculate the exact value of 65 degrees Celsius to get the Fahrenheit value. And here are the steps that we are going to follow as well. And here's our very first step. I multiplied this 65 degrees Celsius by 9. We got 585. Then we divided that number by 5. We got 117. And finally, we have added 32 to it, and our converted value of degrees Fahrenheit is 149 degrees. And now we are going to calculate the estimate value of 65 degrees. And these are the steps we are going to follow. And here's our very first step. We are going to multiply this number by 2. We are going to get 130. And now we are going to add 130 to 30. And our final answer is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is our estimated value, whereas this is our exact value. And here's our piece of caution. Our exact value and the estimated value are not going to be the same one. And here's one more example. We are going to convert 16 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. And if we follow the very same steps, our converted value of degrees Fahrenheit turns out to be approximately equal to 61 degrees Fahrenheit. And now let's focus on this number 16, and this number is 61. If we put this number 16 the other way around, we are going to get 61 degrees Fahrenheit. And these are our magic numbers. So therefore 16 degrees Celsius is going to be equal to 61 degrees Fahrenheit. And if we do the estimate, we are going to follow these steps. And our estimated value is going to be 62 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's another example as well. This time we are going to go from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And we got 82 degrees Fahrenheit. And to get the exact value, we are going to follow this flowchart. We are going to subtract by 32, then we are going to multiply by 5, and finally we are going to divide by 9. So therefore, our number 82, I'm going to write down over here, and I'm going to subtract 32, and that's going to give us 50. And now I'm going to multiply 5 with 50, that is going to give us 250. And now whatever number we got, 250, I'm going to divide by 9. We are going to get the value 27.8 degrees Celsius. And that's going to be approximately equal to 28 degrees Celsius as well. So thus the exact value of 82 degrees Fahrenheit turns out to be equal to 28 degrees Celsius. And now let's make an observation. We can see this is 82 degrees and this is 28. And they are our magic numbers as well. And now we are going to calculate the estimate value as well. And these are the steps we are going to take. First, we are going to subtract by 30 and then divide by 2. So therefore, our temperature is 82. I'm going to subtract 30 from here. We are going to get 52. And now I'm going to divide 52 by 2. So that is going to give us 26 degrees Celsius. And that's going to be our estimated value. And finally, another example, we are going to convert 59 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And if we get the exact value, it turns out to be 15 degrees Celsius by following these 3 steps. And in order to get the estimate value, we are going to follow these 2 steps. And our estimated value turns out to be 14.5 degrees Celsius. And that's going to be approximately equal to 15 degrees Celsius. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.